This is Math Lesson 2.6, Subtract to Compare. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to say, I can use models to compare and subtract. Let's read our problem. It says, Arian has 8 hex bugs. Escobar has 6 hex bugs. How many more hex bugs does Arian have than Escobar? And we're going to use that bar model that we've talked about, and we're going to use our counters to compare. So we're going to use our model. So we're first going to model it with our counters. And I know I have 2 people. I have Arian, so I'm going to put his name right here. And I have Escobar. All right, and now I'm going to compare the two. I know that Arian has 8, so I'm going to put out 8 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we know he has 8 counters. 8 hex bugs. So we put 8 counters down. So now we want to know Escobar has 6. So let's put some down for Escobar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's my model to show. Now I'm going to take my model and I'm actually going to draw it to make sure that it stays, because my model, and I can see in my model that Arian has 2 more because he has 2 extras right over here. But I'm going to actually draw my model, so I'm going to take these and I'm going to move them to the side over here. And I'm going to actually draw it also. So I'm going to draw Arian's. He has 8. 1, he has 8. So we're going to draw this to compare. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll erase this extra one over here. And we're going to draw Escobar's. He had 6. And I'm going to draw those right underneath so that I can compare. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then I'm going to match them up. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why I draw them one on top of each other. So then I notice that Escobar doesn't have one for here and doesn't have one for here, so I know that Arian has 2 extras. 2 more. So I know that my answer is Arian has 2 more hex bugs. So let's go ahead and we'll figure out what goes in the bar model. Well, I know that the 2 numbers I have, I know that Arian has 8, and 8 is more than 6. So 8 is my whole. I can't have any more than 8. Because if you notice here, we didn't add these together. And I know that Escobar has 6. So I know if I have 8 and 6 in my number bond, and 6, I know my other number is 2. So I know that my answer is 2. But we do need a number sentence for this. So I'm going to write my number sentence. I know that Ariane has 8, and I need to know how many more he has than Escobar. So when I see the words, when I see more than, I know I'm going to subtract. So I have 8 minus 6 that Escobar has equals 2 extras, 2 more. All right, let's read the next problem. It says, Asher has 4 oranges. Isaiah has 6 oranges. How many fewer oranges does Asher have than Isaiah? So once again, we're going to model with our counters. So I know that Isaiah has 6. So I'm going to put out 6 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I know that Asher has 4 oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to put an I for Isaiah. So these ones are Isaiah's. That's an I for Isaiah. And this one is going to be an A for Asher. And I'm going to go ahead and draw that. So once again, modeling is something I use with cubes or counters. A drawing is also a model that shows the same thing. So I'm going to go ahead and take this one away, and then I'm going to draw my circle. We'll do it in the right color. And then I'm going to have a drawing. I'm going to have a circle for that one, a circle for that one, a circle for that one, a circle for this one, and a circle for this one. And I'm going to actually move these over. We'll move these up, and then we'll move these over. All right, so I have all of those. So this time we're going to move these down. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. That might be a little easier this time. So I'm going to color my 4 for my picture. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to match them up to compare. So when I compare, I match them up. I have these 2 match up, these 2 match up, these 2 match up, and these 2 match up. And this time it says how many fewer does Asher have than Isaiah. So I know that this time I'm going to subtract because it says fewer than. And I'm going to look, and I see that if I'm subtracting, I need to start with the biggest number. And I know that Isaiah has more, so he has the 6 that goes up above. And we do know that Asher has 4, so we need to know how many fewer does Asher have, and that will be that number there. So I notice that Asher does not have 1 here, and he does not have 1 to match up for there. So I can see right now that Asher is missing right here. He has 2 fewer. So I know the answer is 2 fewer, but we also need to write a number sentence. This was our bar model. This was our picture. We made it with our circles, and now we're going to make a number sentence. So I know when I see fewer than, I'm subtracting. So I have 6 that Isaiah has minus 4 that Asher has, and we know that that equals 2. So Asher has 2 fewer. Let's go to the last problem. It says, Ben has 9 buttons. He has 5 more buttons than Emiliano. how many buttons does Emiliano have? So, I know that Ben has 9 buttons. So I'm going to put his name over here, that Ben has 9 buttons. And then I'm going to model that with my counters. So he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And it says he has 5 more buttons than Emiliano. So Emiliano cannot have one for here. He won't have one here because that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means that Ben is going to have these 5 that are more. And let's see. So we know that he will have one for this one for this one for this one, and one for that one. And if I match them up, I know these 2 match up, and I know it says Ben has 5 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So he has 5 more than Emiliano, so my picture matches the problem. So now let's figure out where our numbers go. It says he has 9 buttons. Ben has 9 buttons, so I know he has the most. So that's my whole. I also know that he has 5 more buttons than Emiliano. So that's a number I do know. I know part of that would be the 5 more. And then if I look down here, it says 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, remember, Ben was right there, and this one was Emiliano. So I know Emiliano has 4. So let's write our number sentence. I see more than. So I know I'm going to subtract. So I know that Ben has 9. I'm going to subtract off the 5 more that he has than Emiliano, and I'm going to end up with the 4 he has. So Emiliano has 4 buttons. Awesome job learning today.